Once you have finished binding off, and I chose to do single crochet instead of a slip stitch for my daughter's cardigan, when you get to the corner, chain 1 and then single crochet into the end, that end stitch. That's the beauty of Tunisian crochet, is that it makes it really easy to work in edging. And you're just going to single crochet in every stitch until you get to the neck, where when we hit that corner, since it's like an inside corner, that's where we will single crochet 2 together. So continue to work along the right front, and then I will show you working along the back, the neck, and then down to the left side. And you can stop there, or as I was saying earlier, you can get creative with your edging. But keep stitching until you get to the neck opening. Alrighty, as you finish working in the last stitches of the edge along the front, before doing this last one, you want to stop so that you can use that last stitch with the first one along the back. Single crochet 2 together, just like that. And then you're just going to continue with your single crochet in each stitch. So you'll single crochet 2 together in the corner and then down the front. And when you get here, this is where you can bind off. Make sure you slip stitch in the appropriate place. Again, this was the chain 1 to start, so this is where I will slip stitch. And if you're going to continue with your edging, you can work all the way around, or you could turn your work and then work your way in the opposite direction. This is where you can have some fun and add your own touch and style to your cardigan. So if you have questions, definitely ask them within the Facebook group, Confidently Crochet with Creations by Courtney, or you can hit reply to any of my newsletters, or send an email to support@creationsbycourtney.com. Yeah, and if you're in the Facebook group, you can always find me there too. Tag me with your questions. Alrighty. The edging is all finished. This is what it looks like using a single crochet. Again, the fabric curls a little bit from the bind off, but we are blocking our cardigans. Say it with me. We are blocking our cardigans. This is 100% acrylic, and it is amazing to work with, and it becomes even softer once it is blocked. So we are going to block our cardigans, so do not worry if your hem is curling. Once complete with your edging, we're now going to move on to the sleeves and the cuff in the next video.